Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix keyboard not working on a Windows 11, 10, all the operating system on your PC or laptop. So please make sure you already check your hardware. Maybe there is a defect or maybe your hardware is in bad condition. So if your hardware is in bad condition, you have to replace it. There is no way to fix it using this software. Um, you have to change your keyboard. Maybe you want to service, but I recommend you if the keyboard you have to replace into the new one. But the first thing to do if your keyboard is in a bad condition, maybe there is key or button that not function, you can use the on-screen keyboard. So you can type search, you can type on screen keyboard on your a Windows search filter here. This is the on-screen keyboard I mentioned before. So you can use it for the first help. Maybe you want to change or replace your keyboard tomorrow, you can use this on-screen keyboard to help you first. This option you can use click sound. Maybe you want to disable, is up to you. Here there is an hover over key or click on keys and text prediction. Here you can disable or enable it. So this is the option of your on-screen keyboard. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.